We all want better speeds when gaming and streaming. Whether it's uploading footage from your hotel room, connecting to your NAS for that big video editing project, or just avoiding that flaky venue Wi-Fi during an expo stream. Let's be real, good wired internet shouldn't require dragging a full router around. So is the WAVLINK 5G Ethernet adapter the new cheat code for mobile creators and streamers, or just another dongle to throw in the drawer? Let's find out. Welcome back to the Pixel Pub. I'm Devin. Around here, we help streamers, creators, and gamers game more, stream better, and stress way less about their gear. Big cheers to everyone that I ran into at the Fire and Ice Retro Gaming Expo, as well as the Casey Game On After Dark LAN party. We had an absolute blast, and I can't wait to run it back. Cheers. I first want to say thank you so much to WAVLINK for sending this one out to me. I did get this one given to me for free, but they did not require me to say anything specific. These are my 100% thoughts and experiences so far with this device. So thank you, WAVLINK. Let's get to the unboxing. All right, let's unbox the WAVLINK USB-C to 5 gigabit Ethernet adapter. I don't know why, but I was actually really excited for this one. I know that this isn't a traditional streamer piece of gear, but I was very excited about this, especially with the previous trip I was just on and everything that I've got planned coming up the rest of this year. So inside the box, again, no frills. We've got the safety information, which I think will be fine on this one. We've got a massive quick start guide. That's what they want to call it, but I think that this is just because it's in multiple languages. So no matter what language you want to read it in and check this out and get this information in, you are going to be covered. And then of course we've got the little card that has the links to the driver downloads. No more CDs coming in these boxes, just a link to the download. And then we've got the actual adapter itself. Very simple, very easy to understand, but very high quality feeling. The full aluminum body makes this feel really high quality and premium, something that I'm not gonna be afraid to just throw in my bag. The cable as well feels like it's not going to just completely break off as soon as I put it in my bag, but again, time will tell as we take it to more and more different events. All right, so what makes this adapter so special? First off is the true 5 gigabit Ethernet. Using the Realtek chipset that's inside this thing, it moves files really fast. I was getting just over 4.5 gigabit per second from my NAS directly in my office when I was connected to my laptop, but other speeds have been absolutely great. I mentioned I took this to both the Retro Gaming Expo in Sacramento as well as the Casey Game On LAN party right here in Kansas City, and it came in clutch when I was using my laptop. No more using flaky Wi-Fi when you don't have an Ethernet adapter on your laptop. All you need is a USB-C port, and this thing does the rest. It has a USB 3.2 Gen 2 connection, so when plugging this in, you know that you're gonna get absolute top speeds. This also has plug and play performance on most machines here. No drivers needed, no fancy bloated software that usually comes with these types of things. Whether it's Windows, most Mac devices, as well as Linux works back here on the Pixel Pub. It is very plug and play friendly. I know I mentioned in the unboxing a little bit, but the build quality on this is also fantastic. The aluminum build, the cable feels good and sturdy. This isn't a cheap piece of plastic. When you're throwing this in your bag and traveling, it's going to, I'm not worried about it, right? Just throw it in my bag. This also has Wake on LAN ability. If you're not a networking nerd or a hardcore NAS user or something in the middle, probably not something that is super exciting for you, but just know that it's a pretty cool feature. Helps you use your computers remotely and all that kind of stuff. So like I mentioned, I did take this adapter to both the Fire and Ice Retro Games Expo in Sacramento, as well as the Casey Game On After Dark LAN party. At the Fire and Ice, the venue Wi-Fi was honestly not fantastic. So I was able to plug this in, as well as at our hotel. We had a proper Ethernet port in our hotel room, was able to plug this in, didn't have to use crappy Wi-Fi. If you want to watch the video that I made from that trip, over 50 gigs worth of video went over this thing. Take a look at that video over here. But also at the LAN party, I didn't have to worry about my game stuttering. I didn't have to worry about lag. Fastest way to play your games as well is by plugging directly in. And again, one of those things, if you're working with a laptop or you're working with something like the ROG Ally, like I've been working with, you could plug this directly into an Ethernet port now, whether it's to download your games faster, whether it's to play at those fast speeds, whatever you need, you don't need to use Wi-Fi anymore. So who exactly is this WAVLINK 5 gigabit USB to Ethernet adapter for? I would say firstly, people that travel. If you're streaming, if you're going to different venues to stream, record videos, create content, and you need a fast internet connection, this is an absolute must. If you're a content creator that only works with a laptop, if you have one of the MacBook Pros or any other laptop that doesn't have an Ethernet port on it, my Asus Zephyrus G14 doesn't have an Ethernet port on it either. This thing comes in clutch, not just when connecting to the internet, but when connecting to things like your NAS as well. I can video edit in 4K with this device straight from video from my NAS. I think this is also for gamers who want to play on their laptop, who want to take their laptop to a LAN party, especially if you don't have an Ethernet port on your laptop, which a lot of laptops these days aren't including an Ethernet port for some reason. Honestly, I'm gonna be keeping this adapter in my go bag for a very long time to come. We're gonna be heading to TwitchCon in October as well, so make sure you subscribe for that video. So the WAVLINK 5G Ethernet adapter, honestly, an easy yes from me if you need fast, stable, wired internet connection and you don't want it to break the bank. Affiliate links are down below in the description if you want to grab one and help support the channel, as well as keep the Pixel Pub beer fridge stocked. Got any questions about this one though? Make sure you drop them in the comments and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.